Okay, so if anybody has known, just a few weeks ago was my birthday and Caitlin's birthday. And I'm throwing her a little party. But it's a surprise and she does not know. And it's just a party for me and her. Sisters, oh yeah. So, sorry if you weren't invited. But yeah. So, I'm taking everything that I've made, because I stayed up late last night making food, and we're just going to have our own thing. So let's get started setting up. I hope this looks nice because I've been working very hard on it. And for some cookies. Oh dear. Alright, and now for the sandwich. Alright, and now to stack the cupcakes. Oh dear. That's okay. Don't need to worry. I am here. You can buy this whole set at Target. It's now on sale for $16.99. And it's comes with most of the stuff besides just a few of it, just a little bit. I swear. It is like the most funnest thing to play with in the universe. Where's the other chocolate cupcake? Just a second. We're going on a search for the chocolate cupcake. I found it. Okay, so here it is. We have some sprinkles to put on our cupcakes. Where's the other sprinkle? I found it. And then we have some tea to pour. Yes, she should be amazed. I hope she is. Here on this, I'm going to have some recipes, and I just really hope that she likes this because I made this specially for her. So yes, all right. What is this? Whoa! Wow! That is a lot of nice food. Whoa! Happy birthday! I mean, late birthday. My birthday was about a month ago now, but okay. Thank you so much Time to take those glasses off. Okay. What she looks like without glasses? Oh, wow. Thank you. I just took dance lessons. Wow. This is for me? Yep. Wow, it looks delicious. I just have to dive in for a cupcake. Well, we should have a good time.